In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute someone on Discord globally. First, open your Discord server. The first way to mute someone requires the person to be inside a voice channel. In this case, right-click on the user's name and select Server Mute. This will mute the person globally across your server, in any voice channel. The second method is useful when the person is not currently inside a voice channel. To do this, click on the server name in the top left corner, then click Server Settings. In the side menu, select Roles, then click Create Role. You can customize the role however you like, but the important step is to go to Permissions and disable the Speak permission. Next, you need to apply this role to your voice channels. Right-click on each voice channel where you want this to work, click Edit Channel, go to Permissions, then Roles, click the plus button, and add the new role you just created. Make sure the Speak permission is disabled and click Save Changes. Repeat this step for all voice channels so the mute works across the entire server. Now, to mute someone globally using this method, simply right-click on the user's name, go to Roles, and assign the muted role to them. That's it. The user will no longer be able to speak in any voice channel. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.